Try pouring a heavy liquid soap into the bowl and letting gravity and time work to lubricate and dislodge the clog. Start by removing excess standing water if it is near the rim to avoid overflow, using a bucket or cup to bail until the water level is below the overflow line. Pour 1 generous cup of thick dish soap or hand soap around the rim so it spreads down toward the trap, and let it sit for about 20 minutes to allow the soap to seep into and lubricate the blockage. If the soap alone does not do the job, heat a large pot of water until it is very hot but not boiling, and carefully pour it from waist height into the bowl, so the momentum helps push the softened obstruction through the trap. The combination of hot water and soap helps break up organic material and lubricates solid masses without the thermal shock that boiling water can cause to porcelain. If the clog persists after one attempt, repeat the soap and hot water cycle up to 2 more times, waiting between pours to avoid sudden pressure changes. As a last non-chemical option, use a wire coat hanger with the end unbent and wrapped in cloth to probe gently, push, and pull slowly to avoid scratching or damaging the bowl, and work the obstruction loose rather than forcing it. Common mistakes are pouring boiling water, which can cause hairline cracks in the porcelain, so always use very hot but not boiling water. And if you are unsure, let the pot sit for a few minutes after boiling to reduce temperature. Another frequent issue is bailing too much water and then flushing aggressively, which can create a low suction and spread the clog. Instead, maintain moderate water level and use deliberate pours so momentum pushes the clog. People also assume chemical drain cleaners are a quick fix, but they can damage pipes and ceramic glaze and harm septic systems, so avoid them for toilets and rely on mechanical, heat, and soap methods first. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse community discussions about practical fixes like toilet unclogging, so we can compare tips and local experiences. We also help contractors connect with nearby work while participating in our discussion community, so everyone can share real-world advice.